Okay, then we will see commands from edit curve. In edit curve, first two commands are chamfer and fillet. So for using this edit curve command, first of all we have to draw some entity. I'll draw one rectangle. Escape. I'll press escape here. Then you can use chamfer command. For using chamfer command, you have to select lines here. I'll select this first line, then second line connected to it, and here you can put offset distance. Okay, in this way chamfer is created. Now second command. Second is fillet. For fillet there are two methods, trim and untrim. Okay, so for fillet you have to select two lines, same like chamfer, first line, second line, and put radius here. I'll put 5 and press enter button. 5, enter. Fillet is created. Second method, untrim. So in first method, these two lines we have selected has trimmed. Now in untrim, I'll select two lines again and put 5, enter. In this, two lines we have selected are as it is. After fillet there is a quick trim. In quick trim you have to select curve which you have to trim. So I select this curve. Now it will be trimmed. Then after quick trim there is a quick extend. In quick extend you have to select curve. It will be extended till next closing point. So it was arc, but it is converted in circle. Okay. Suppose I'll undo it. Now I'll trim this line. I'll click on quick trim, select line. It will get trim. Okay, and for again extending, you have to click on quick extend and select line. Okay, suppose I select this line will be extended till here. Suppose I select this bottom line. Okay, here there is no end point, so it will not get extended. Okay, so quick trim and quick extend. Then there is a command called corner. Okay, for corner you have to select two curves, this curve and this curve. Then it will get extended and this corner will be formed. Okay, so this is make corner command. After that there is a move curve command. Next command we will see move curve. In move curve we have to select curve to move. Here there are different motions. We will see distance, angle, distance and angle. So here I'll see one curve here. So select curve and select this line. Now specify distance vector. So in which direction I have to move. So I'll select this y-axis direction. Then pivot point for rotating. I'll select this point only. And now I can give distance from here 5 mm and angle 45. Here you can show result. Now change failed because of geometrical conditions. I'll reduce angle. Here you can change angle from here as much as you want. Now this line is moved by 5 mm and rotated by given angle. Then in move curve there is another motion is only distance. So for distance you have to select curve vector. Suppose I select this, and distance you can adjust from here. This is distance motion, and for only angle you can rotate it. Specify axis point. First select curve, then specify axis point, and you can rotate it from here by particular angle. Okay, suppose 45. Okay, now this line is moved at desired location. Next command we will see offset move curve. In offset move curve you have to select curve and put distance. I'll put 50 mm and OK. So this line will be moved to 50 mm offset distance. Next command is scale curve. Here you have to select curve and you have to put scale factor. Now suppose I put 3. This line is scaled 3 times to its original size. Next command is resize curve. Resize curve we can use for curves. I select resize curve. Here select curve, but here only arc we can select. And you can resize it from center. Suppose I resize from center, then whole sketch will be changed. But suppose I select as fillet, then only this curve will change. Entire sketch will not be affected. Only this arc and connecting two lines will change. Okay. Now I'll reduce size of this line. Now after resize curve there is a command resize chamfer curve. For that I'll create chamfer first. Create chamfer. I select two lines. Then resize chamfer curve. Select curve. You can change its dimension by dragging this arrow. or you can type distance here 5 mm. Here chamfer size is changed, means chamfer is resized. Now last command in edit curve is delete curve. For delete curve you have to select curve. So after deleting it, these two lines will join to each other. This is delete curve.